Another thing very common this time of year, we're talking about last irrigations, and timing that with where the milk line's at. So when I'm identifying the milk line, okay, I'm looking for where that hard starch line is. I mean, anywhere below that, you could technically still influence it. You can get a little more girth, but anything above that is produce as much as it can for this year. But that milk line, when it comes to irrigation, tells me a lot. I mean, if we're at half milk line, you know, we could still use, I believe, is around 2.5 inches. So when I'm probing soil, I'm taking into account what's in the soil versus irrigation to try to hit that 2.5 inches. Now here in roughly seven days, it's going to be at 3/4 milk line, and it tells me we need an inch of moisture to finish out this crop. One thing that I think needs to be looked at when it comes to this end of the year is understanding what this plant is doing. So this plant's job is to produce as many viable seeds as possible. So it's going to take any nutrients, excess nutrients it has, and tries to put it into that ear. How does it do that? It steals from the roots and it steals from the plant. So as this plant is maturing, that root system may be down 4 foot, but slowly coming up. And I want to keep that top foot as wet as I can when it comes to irrigation, because it's able to take those nutrients and put it to the ear. You know, I think of a person eating let's just say a slushy, okay? Would you rather have a straw that's 4 feet or 1 foot? Which one are you going to choose to enjoy that slushy? So kind of that same concept when we're planning last irrigations and using our milk lines to decide how many more rounds we have left.